And when I took a look at the causes of the many money challenges of doctors, ang lumabas po ay focus na focus kayo sa practice ninyo. That's why you have little time for business development and or investment, no? I think malaki talaga ang clash ng ethics ng pagiging doktor and creating a business out of it. Mababa rin daw ang inyong savings and investment rate. Mababa din daw ang inyong financial literacy. I've been a very good doctor, I've been a very good lawyer, accountant, sa profession nila. Pero nakalimutan ang investment. Yun yung pinagsisihan nila when they reached retirement. Lifestyle expenses increase faster than your income. Long period of education, delayed income. I remember, I already put up my 4-door apartments. I was 25 years old. Si Odette ay nagpapakahirap pa sa RITM. Matagal bago ang return on investment, and that's the reality. Madalas ang burnout sa mga doktor. And dahil nga matatalino po kayo, you rationalize your bad financial decisions. Ay, napagod ako. Deserve ko itong bag na ito. Deserve kong mag-travel. Deserve nyo lahat. Diba? Ganyan. And let's not forget the pressure you undergo when you hang out at the doctor's lounge. Uy, si Doc ganito, may ganitong bagong alahas. May bagong cellphone si Doc ganito. And nandun yung pressure to keep up. 42% of physicians daw feel burnout.